Hi children, today you are going to learn 9th class 5th chapter, that is coordinate geometry, in that exercise number 5.3. In this 5.3, what we are going to learn? The basic concept we have already learned in the 5.2 exercise. If you have watched that video, it is very clear to do it. And I hope you watched that video or not watch once again 5.2 exercise of this chapter, then come and watch this video to understand well. And here in this, we are going to find out some solutions of the given problems, which is based on the graph paper, the points which is lies, if they are lies in the same quadrant or in the different quadrant, then how to find out the area of parallelogram, area of triangle, area of square on the Cartesian plane when 4 points are given. If they are given 4 points or 3 points, with the 3 given points, they will ask us to form a triangle and they will ask us to find out the height of the area of the triangle. In the same way, if they give 4 points, they may ask us to make a parallelogram or a square or rectangle. They may ask the same area of that plane figure. So let us solve the problems without wasting time. And here the first question, that is, see that float the following points in a Cartesian plane whose x, y coordinates are given. So they have given a box here, first to it. Then we take it here. Here x value, here y value, here x comma y value. So here 2 comma minus 3. The point is 2 comma minus 3. Then next they have given here 3 comma minus 3, minus 1 comma 4, 0 comma 11, and minus 9 comma 0, and minus 4 comma minus 6. So they have given these 2 points, x axis values and y axis values. We have to write the x comma y point, 3 comma minus 3. Here minus 1 comma y value is 4. Here first x axis value 0 and y value is 11. Then minus 9 comma 0, minus 4 comma minus 6. So we got the points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These 6 points we have to be locate on the Cartesian plane. Draw the Cartesian plane. We know that these two axes are perpendicularly to each other at the common point of 0. So we have to do this on graph paper. Please note it down. We have to do this on graph paper, not on this book. As this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You don't have any problem. You already have some units and subunits. Directly you can do it. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9. Okay, I have located. So I got a x axis and x dash, y axis and y dash. So try to locate these points. First point is 2 comma minus 3. 2 is positive, here minus 3. So directly you will be having here, this is 2 comma minus 3. So you can do this on the graph paper without hesitating anything, and very easy. Okay, 3 comma minus 3, 3 and minus 3, plus 3 and minus 3. We come here, approximately only the points I locate. So you try to understand. Here 2 and minus 3, here 2 comma minus 3. Yeah, 3 comma minus 3, here 3 comma minus 3. Then minus 1 comma 4, minus 1 and plus 4 may comes here. See, minus 1 and plus 4. minus 1 comma plus 4 and 0 comma 11. Here it is 0, x value is 0, y value is 11. Here till only 8 I have located. Till 0 comma 11 will come somewhere here. Accordingly, you extend the x values and y values. So you see that either it is possible or not. And minus 1, minus 9 comma 0. Minus 9 on x axis here. Minus 9 is here. Minus 9 comma 0. It's not essential that you should have equal numbers this side and this side. No, at positive side you can write how many numbers you need, and negative side you can extend how many numbers are required, and y axis and x axis, y dash also same. How many numbers you require, how many units you require, as many units you extend like that. If there is a suppose here 40 units will not be there. At that time you have to divide a scale. You have to divide a scale. Scale in the sense on x axis this 1 unit equal to 1 unit. Suppose 1 unit equal to, suppose if you take a 3, if 1 box equal to if you count as a 3, or if 1 box equal to if you count as a 5, then you will get that 40. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 is in that way. Each and every unit you count as a 5, value as a 5. Then you will reach 40. Or not, if it is a 400, then you go for 1 unit equal to suppose 50. 1 unit equal to 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300. In that way you have to extend our scale. It depends on the scale. The scale is our wish, how can we write? Okay, that is your wish. If it is the given values are not suitable to represent on the graph paper, then you can go for the scale. You can divide the scale. That scale also you have to write on the graph right side at top of the right side of the graph. You have to write a scale. Only this side you have to write a scale. If scale is required, then you write. Yes. Then here where we are till 11 minus 9 comma 0 is completed. Minus 4 comma minus 6. Minus 4 and minus 6. Minus 4 and minus 6. Yes, here minus 4 comma minus 6. So I have located all the given points on the graph. So on the plane here, Cartesian plane I had on it. You have to do it this problem on the graph, so that you can understand and you will get a practice how to locate the points. So I hope you understood this. Now next I'll go for the second problem. The question number 2. The question number 2. See that are the points 5 comma minus 8 and minus 8 comma 5 is same. Justify your answer. These 2 points are same. Can you see the first point 5 comma minus 8 and minus 8 comma 5? Are these 2 points are same? Justify your answer. This is what the question. Can you say these 2 points are same? No. Here 5 comma minus 8 and minus 8 comma 5 points are not same. They are two distinct points. Distinct points. That means the 2 are different points. The 2 are 2 different points, because point 5 comma minus 8 is lies on, in which quadrant it will lie? Positive and negative. See, positive, x-axis, negative. That means it lies on the 4th quadrant. This is in the Q4. That means in the 4th quadrant. Yes, lies on quadrant number 4. It lies in the quadrant number 4. That is Q4. And the point minus 8 comma 5 is lies on In which quadrant? See, minus and plus. Minus and plus. That is in the Q2. That is one. Quadrant number 2. That is the Q2. So here point 5 comma minus 8 is not equal or not same to minus 8 comma 5. I hope you understood. These 2 points are not same because the given first point is lies in the quadrant number 4 and the second point will lies in the quadrant number 2. I hope you understood the second one also. That's why I kept it here. The first point will lie here somewhere. So that is what? 5 comma minus 8. First point here 5 comma minus 8. Yes, here 5 comma minus 8 and the second point minus 8 comma 5. Minus 8 and 5. You will get a straight lines in the graph, need not to worry. Minus 8 comma 5. So see, it is in the quadrant number 2. This is in quadrant number 4. So the 2 points are too different. And see, we go for the next problem now. This second problem is very important. Many times they gave in the annual exam. Some children they feel that both having same numbers, so they are same. No, they having same numbers, but they are lying on the same different quadrants. Okay. What can you say about the positions of points? Here they have given a third question. What can you say about the position of these points? 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, comma 1 comma minus 4, comma 1 comma 0 and 1 comma 8. Here they have given this all points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 points are given. What can you say about the position of the points? Locate on a graph sheet. So here I don't have a graph sheet, but I'll try to locate this all on the Cartesian plane. And we have to write a perfect answer for that also. Let's see. Before I do it, I have to write here x-axis 0, x dash, y-axis 0, y dash. Finished. X value is maximum 1 only, y values are till 8. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. This you have to do it in the graph paper. That means the graph paper you divide into the 4 quadrants, then locate the numbers like this. Hence what we have to do? We have to locate these points and we'll see. See 1 comma 2. Here 1 and y-axis value is 2. Here the point is 1 comma 2. And next 1 comma 3, the point here. X-axis value 1 and y-axis value is 3. 1 comma 3. Next 1 comma minus 4. 1 comma minus 4 is here is comes. 1 comma minus 4. Then 1 comma 0. Here x-axis value is 1, y value is 0. So 1 comma 0. Next value is 1 comma 8. 1 value and 8 value. Here 1 comma 8 value. And let's join this with a scale. We will be having a straight line. So here the point, and here there is a point, here there is a point, here there is a point, and here also there is a point. So what can you say now? See, locate. What can you say about the position of these points and locate on the graph sheet? What can you say this? All these points, which is where all these points, if you observe, are in all these points, x coordinates are same. So when x coordinates are same in the given points, it is parallel to y-axis. See that this line, all these points lying on a same line. All the given points here I will write answer. All given points lie on same line. All these given points lie on the same line which is parallel to y-axis, at the distance of 1 unit. See, only 1 unit distance. Here you can see the distance is only 1 unit. You can see only one box because see all these y points with a distance of x units. Okay, now all the given points lie on the same line which is parallel to y-axis at a distance of 1 unit. This is what you need to write. So all these points, the given 5 points lie on the same line. Same line, and that line is parallel to the y-axis with a distance of 1 unit. That one is x value. Yes, the fourth question will be also similar to this. Let us try to do that. Okay, and try to remember the answer. Here, try to observe the answer that how we have written. Yes, and fourth one also will be similar to this. Let me write now the fourth question. What can you say about the positions of the points 5, 4, 8, 4, 3, 4? Here you can observe 0, 4. All y coordinates values are same. -2, 4. So let us locate these points now. Here all the y coordinate values are same, hence it is parallel to x-axis. If x axis points are same of the given point, it's parallel to y-axis. If y coordinates are same of the given point, it's parallel to x-axis. So try to locate this. 5, 4. Here 5 and positive 4. Here this comes 5, 4. Okay. Next 8, 4. Here I do not take 8. Let me take here 8, 4. Next 3, 4. Here is yes 3, 4. Next 0, 4. Here it is 0, 4. X value is 0, y value is 4. Next -4, 4. Here it comes -4, 4. Next to -2, 4. -2, 4. See that join these all points by a ruler or a scale. What you can feel, because all these points lie on same line. Yes, all these points are lie on the same line which is parallel to x-axis. This is x-axis and this is the given points lie on the same line. So this will be the answer now. All the given points lie on the same line which are parallel to x-axis at a distance of, how much the distance? 4 unit distance. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. The distance will be here 4 units. All the x-axis. Okay. If all y-axis are same, that means that is parallel to the x-axis with the y distance, with the y coordinate distance. Here y coordinate is 4 with the y coordinate distance, that is 4 unit distance. So I hope you can and you understood this problem. Write this solution. Okay. We have to locate this on the graph paper, children. Next, we go for question number 6. Question number 5, sorry. Question number 5. Yes, the points 0 comma 0, 0 comma 3, 4 comma 3, 4 comma 0. Okay, these points you float on the graph sheet. Join the points with the straight lines, make a rectangle, find the area of a rectangle. Okay, first of all, the given points are the given points are 0 comma 0, 0 comma 3, 4 comma 3, comma 4 comma 0. These are the 4 points are given. First of all, let us draw the Cartesian plane here. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is y-axis, x-axis. This also need to be do on the graph paper itself. All these problems on the graph paper only. It is very easy to be do on the graph paper. Yes, now we look at 0 comma 0. Here the 0 comma 0 point. 0 comma 0. Next to 0 comma 3. X value is 0, y value is 3. So here 0 comma 3. Next 4 comma 3. 4 and 3. 4 comma 3. X value is 4, y value is 3. Then 0 comma 4. Sorry, 4 comma 0. Here it's 4, y value is 0. That is 4 comma 0. So we got a rectangle here. We got a rectangle. We have located. We have to join the lines. So you get a rectangle. After this plotting the points, you join the lines with a scale so that you get a rectangle where length equal to what? Here how many distance? What is the distance? See that 1, 2, 3, 4. Here it is 4 units. What is the breadth? B equal to, we will get here 1, 2, 3. The breadth equal to 3 units in the distance. So area of rectangle. Area of rectangle formula is L into B. Where L equal to what here? 4 units into D is 3 units. 4 3s are 12. Units into units, square units. The area will always in the square units. So with these given points, we formed a rectangle. From the rectangle, we got the distance of the length of this rectangle and breadth of the rectangle. If you know the length and breadth of a rectangle, we can find the area of rectangle. That is L into B formula. That is 12 square units here. When L is 4 units and the B is 3 units. So how go? You understood this problem also. And next we have further questions again. Let's go through that. Question number 6. Yes. Then float the points 2 comma 3, 6 comma 3 and 4 comma 7 in graph sheet. Join them to make a triangle. Find the area of triangle. So here question number 6. Here the given points are 2 comma 3 comma 6 comma 3 and 4 comma 7. So we have to locate these points on the Cartesian plane. X dash, y axis, y dash, x axis. 0 horizontal point. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and y value we required maximum 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. We don't have negative values in that. So we write only some points. Finished. Now try to locate these points now. 2, 3. Here 2 and 3. Here point 2, 3 is here. Point 2, 3 is here. Point 2, 3. Next 6, 3. Here is 6. X value is 6. Y value is 3. Yes. 6, 3. Next 4, 7. 4 and 7. We get here. Yes. 4, 7. Let's join these points. We got a triangle. So let's see the distance between these two. Suppose to find out the area of triangle formula. Area of triangle formula, that is half into base into height. Half into base into height. 1/2 into base into height. So the base is here. How many units is it? 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 minus 2 is 4 units. Then what will be the height? See, from 3 it starts. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the height h equal to what? Height equal to, again it is 4 units. Yes, 3 to 4, 1, 4 to 5, 2, 5 to 6, 3, 6 to 7, 4. So base and height are same. Let us substitute here 1/2 into base, that is 4 units, height is 4 units again. So 2 ones are 2 twos are. So the leftover is 2 units into 4 units. That equal to 2 for the 8 units into unit square units. So the area of triangle formed by these 3 given points is 8 square units. I hope you understood. This you have to do it on the graph paper so that you can understand more clearly what is the base and what is the height, the difference between the base and height. So we go for now the 7th question. Yes, question number 7 now. So this is remember with this, it makes you perfect some more in this chapter. So we have to think little more. We have to extend our thinking skills. Float at least 6 points in the graph sheet. Okay, we'll plot the points, at least 6 points we have to plot on the graph sheet. Okay, we'll plot the points on the graph sheet. But which points we need to plot? That is very important here. We'll plot at least 6 points on the graph sheet. Okay, which kind of points we have to plot? Let's write. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, at least 6 is there. We'll write more than 6 only. Okay. Each having sum of its coordinates equal to 5. This is what the hint. So each coordinate should have sum of the coordinates should be equal to 5. Suppose 1, 4 I have given a point. The sum of these coordinates, x coordinate plus y coordinate, 1 plus 4 equal to 5. So such kind of points we have to take. Suppose 2, 3, 2 plus 3 equal to 5. Such kind of a points we have to take. Further, what I am going to do it here. See, I will take 1 here. I am going to take 0 here. 0, 5. 0 plus 5 is 5. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Sometimes you take a negative numbers. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. No problem. You take some positive values and take some negative values. Okay. And you will get some points here. Okay. Then see here we go for 1. How much we need to add to get 5? 4. 1 plus 4 is 5. So 1, 4. How much we need to add to 2 to get 5? That is 3. So the point is 2 comma 3. Here 3 plus 2 is 5. So 3 comma 2. 4 plus 1 is 5. So 4 comma 1 is the point. Minus 1 is there. So how much we need to add to minus 1 to get 5? So we have to add 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. So minus 1 comma 6. Here x value is minus 2 we assumed. So y value should be 7. 7 minus 2 is 5. So the sum should be equal to 5. When you add or subtract the x coordinate or y coordinate, we have to get as a 5. The sum should be 5. So here minus 2 comma 7. Similarly here you have to get 8. See what we have to get here, minus 3 comma 8. And these are all points we have to float on the graph sheet. Okay. So let's go for a graph. X dash, y axis, x axis, y dash. 0, 1, 2. X value is what we have taken till only 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, whatever. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Okay. Next y values, the maximum y value is 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here place is not sufficient, so I am writing the numbers nearby. But they should have an equal distance. It will be there in the graph paper already. Every unit will be in a fixed subunit of distance. Next, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. So locate the point. 0, comma 5. 0, comma 5. X value is 0, y value is 5. Here 0, comma 5. Next, 1, comma 4. 1 and 4. Plus 1 and plus 4 here. 1 comma, you observe this, what the wonderful, you will get 2 comma 3. Here it comes 2 comma 3. Next 3 comma 2, 3 comma 2, here it comes, here the point should be get 3 comma 2. 3 comma 2 here. 3 comma 2. Next 4 comma 1. 4 comma 1, this should be as equal distance actually. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, x axis. Okay. 4 comma 1. 4 comma 1. Next, what we have? Minus 1 comma 6. Minus 1 comma 6 here. The point comes here. Minus 1 comma 6. Yes? Minus 1 comma 6. So they should be the equal distance. Minus 1 comma 6. Next, minus 2 comma 7. Minus 2 comma 7, it comes here. Minus 2 comma 7. Minus 2 comma 7, it comes here. And minus 3 comma 8, it comes here. Minus 2 comma 7, minus 3 comma 8. So all these points will get a one straight line. All these will having a straight line. When their sum is give us 5, so they will be always lie on the line. So this is one wonderful thing you can observe when you locate this. The sum of the x coordinate and y coordinate is equal to 5. You can see it. Not only equal to 5, you take any number, you always that points you get as a line one. When you add sum of the coordinates equal to 10 or sum of these coordinates equal to 11, if you plot that points, suppose you have taken some group of points and locate where the sum of the coordinates is 10 or 12 or 5 or 7, so all those points will be lie on the same line. So these points are known as a what? Collinear points. If more than 2 points lie on the same line, the points are known as a collinear points. So these many points are lying on the same line, so these all points are known as a collinear points. If more than 2 points lying on the same line, they are known as a collinear points. Remember that. So for the question number 8, so here the question number 8, locate the graph. Okay, look at the graph and what is the coordinate of the points A to Q. So they have given us some points here. For this question, I will give you a picture on the screen. Just observe that. So You can see a picture here. Yes. Then we have to find out the points. Here you can see in the picture, you can see the alphabets A to Q. All these points we have to write. What is coordinates of the point A? What are the coordinates of the point B, C, D, E, F, G, H, so on like that. All these points coordinates we need to write. So I will tell you here the coordinates. You just look at that, whether you will get the coordinates same or not. Coordinate A point is -3, 4. B point 0, 5. C point 3, 4. D point 2, 4. E point 2, 0. F point 3, 0. G point 3, -1. H point 0, -1. I point -3, -1. J point -3, 0. K point -2, 0. L point -2, 4. M point -1, 0. N point -1, 3. O point 0, 0 origin. P point 1, 3. Q point 1, 0. So here you can see all these points. I hope you understood. Generally, if you see this graph paper, you will get the points names. That is what you need to write. What is point A value, point B value. I hope you understood this. The ninth question is that here you can see the ninth question. In the graph sheet, float each pair of points, join them by line segments. So you have to join by the line segment. They have given in the first 7 and 14. There are given 21 points here. These 21 points we have to locate on only one graph paper and join them. You will get a surprise figure. That means you will get a one cuboid actually, and you can make another figures also, which is possible by these figures, these points. You have to float all the points on the graph paper and try to make one wonderful figure. You can make a one house or not. With the given points, with these given points, you can make a one house or not. You can make a one cuboid, one cube or two cubes also. So I will give you for example to understand you. I will float all the points on a graph paper. I will keep a picture here. You can see what kind of figure you can see. So you can also make a other figure found by these given points in the ninth question. Okay. So I hope you understood this exercise number 5.3. Try to complete this complete exercise on the graph paper. Wherever the graphs are required in the question, there we have to use only graph paper. Should not write in the notes. With that coordinates, the axis should not do it in the notes. You only do on the graph paper so that you can understand. You get a good practice. I hope you understood this chapter completely. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.